Alfred Perks Gibbs. From http://www.thegloriousgospel.ca/Gibbs-Alfred-P. From http://www.plymouthbrethren.org/users/Alfred P. Gibbs. Alfred P. Gibbs was born in Birmingham, England in 1890 and was raised in Johannesburg, South Africa. He was led to a saving knowledge of Christ by his twin brother, Edwin. During World War I, Gibbs served as military chaplain, preaching to soldiers in training camps. In 1919 he set off for Moody Bible School in Chicago, Illinois. There he soon became involved in an assembly-operated rescue mission. Gibbs worked alongside Harold Harper, T.B. Gilbert, James G. Humphrey, and other men destined to become well-known in assembly circles of ministry. Gibbs became close friends with George Landis, who at that time pastored a small denominational church. Alfred P. Gibbs never married. Like J. N. Darby, he lived out of a suitcase. Most of his writings were devoted to teaching young believers. He served part-time for many years with the then Emmaus Bible School. In 1931 he published a songbook with music and words of his own composition. He also contributed several hymns to Choice Hymns of the Faith and Hymns of Worship and Remembrance. One of his most memorable hymns was A Thousand Thanksgivings, and also Sweet is the Story. Although an earnest preacher of the gospel, he was best known for his work with children. Gibbs was called home to glory through an automobile accident in 1967. Following the accident, an entire issue of letters of interest was devoted to him. Reminiscences of him were written by several well-known brethren including his brother Edwin, Bill McCartney, Elliot Van Ryn, T.B. Gilbert, Lester Wilson, William MacDonald, and Lloyd Walterick. A. P. Gibbs will be remembered as a great preacher of the gospel and a loving friend to all children he met in his entire lifetime.